ever wondered how a simple bar of soap can fight off invisible germs? Let me explain. It's not just about rinsing. Soap actually destroys them. Germs are tiny microbes, like bacteria and viruses, that can make us sick. They're so small, millions of them can fit on your fingertip. Soap is made of molecules that have two sides. One side loves water, we call it hydrophilic, and the other side hates water but loves oils and fats. That's hydrophobic. Many germs, especially viruses, are protected by a fatty layer called a membrane. That's where soap becomes a superhero. The hydrophobic part of the soap sticks to the fat in the germ's membrane, and the hydrophilic part pulls it into water. It's like tearing the virus apart. The membrane breaks open and the germ falls apart. Isn't that amazing? Just rinsing with water doesn't do much. Water can't break through grease or fatty membranes. Soap is what actually breaks the germ down. That's why we wash our hands for 20 seconds. It gives soap enough time to do its job. Rub, scrub and rinse those germs away. So next time you wash your hands, remember, you're not just cleaning them, you're launching a germ-killing mission. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple science videos. See you next time.